Hey third graders, I'm going to tell you about a zoo project that we are going to be working on when we are in our satellite location this week and next week. And it hopefully is going to be really fun. So you are going to be using area and perimeter that we've learned about in math to create your zoo project. So today the activity is going to be to create your cover page. Each day we are going to do one step, so you don't need to work ahead. So this is your front page. You're going to put your first name and your last name, and then you are going to put a zoo design. You may draw this and color it. We want it colored. We have some, you'll see right here, there are some pictures. I'll have a few of these, and each of the proctors will have them for you. And you can use these if you need help drawing. You can use these, or you can do your own drawing. It's really up to you. So today your goal is to get that cover sheet done. If you have extra time, you can go through and color the pictures, and you can also read through the introductions and just kind of read the requirements and checklists. You may go over that if you have time. I'm going to go over it right now with you. So here are your instructions. The board of directors at Zooville have decided to upgrade their facility. They want help to design a brand new zoo for everyone to enjoy and have asked for you to be the lead architect. So here you are. You're going to be designing a zoo. So here are the requirements. If you look right here, let me highlight. Oops, is it highlighting? There we go, in blue right here. You must have these things in your zoo. You need 6 animal exhibits. You must have 1 entrance. You must have 1 park. You have to have an aquarium or a reptile house, 1 restaurant, 2 snack stands. You must have walkways throughout the park because you got to get around, right? You have to have a set of bathrooms, 1 gift shop, and a map, key, or legend, which I will talk about later in the week. I know we've learned about maps, and but I do want to review this. Did I skip the snack stands? Maybe I did, maybe I didn't, but don't forget those snack stands. You can color your giant anteater, that's fine. So here's the deal. You have 600 square units of land to build your amazing zoo for Zooville. Do you think you're up for the challenge? Okay, you can go back and reread that, look and see, you may want to look at all these requirements one more time. Okay, here are your objectives. This is what we want you to do. Okay, you can color these pictures. Totally fine. I know you're going to ask me. You must meet these 4 objectives. Provide the area and perimeter for everything included in your zoo. So you will have to tell me after you build these things, what's the area and what is the perimeter. I'll talk more about that later on when we get to that section. You are going to follow the board of directors requirements, which I just read about the snacks and the aquarium house and the bathrooms and all that good stuff. You are going to create a legend. So that's like your map, key, your legend. We'll talk more about that too this week. And you're going to show all your math on a separate sheet of paper. So I'm going to give you, there'll be scratch paper at the back of this packet, and that's where you can kind of do your work to show me your work. So you can see Mr. Safari is right here, and he said that he's going to be giving you tips and tricks along the way and trying to help you out. Just like anything, just like we started our STEM project with the Mardi Gras when we built our bridges. Don't try to rush this project. Please just go in the steps. That way you will avoid careless errors. And it says, welcome to the zoo. So you can definitely color your lion. And then here are the rest of, you'll kind of look at these blueprints. You're welcome to look at them. Don't do anything with these today. We'll be talking about these later this week. Okay? But you, of course, can color the pictures. That does not bother me or your teacher. We just want you to look through this stuff, but don't do anything besides what we ask each day to keep us on track. Okay? Have a great day, and I hope this is a really fun project for you guys.